Hey, let me show you several tips how to solve overheating problem of your Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Let's get started. And as a first step, you can just close all of the apps from recents because it may cause lag in apps which leads to overheating problem. Great. And now you can also clear cache because it takes a lot of storage which also leads to overheating. For this, just open this cleaner app which is installed here by default and click this button Clean Up Cache. Also, I don't recommend you gaming while charging because it's a lot of strain on the phone's CPU which directly causes overheating. And if your phone is too hot, then let it cool down for a little bit and start playing again. Also, you can try to turn off unnecessary features such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. You can turn it off by opening settings, then go in location, then in location services, and right here just click on the switcher to turn off Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning because actually you don't need these features, but it can cause overheating. And maybe your phone's version is too old now, so try to update your phone if you have any new updates. You can check it right here in the settings and in the About Phone tab. So if you have the option to update, then I highly recommend you to do it because it can cause the overheating problem. Also, quite basic tip but really helpful. Just remove the case if the phone overheats and do not use it in direct sunlight. The next solution may be rebooting your phone because rebooting your phone regularly can help clear temporary files and reset processes that may be overloading your device. For this, press and hold the power button and the volume up buttons at the same time and then drag the slider down to reboot your phone and just wait till it will turn on again. And the last one, if none of the previous advices worked, then open settings and go in About Phone. And here choose Factory Reset Your Phone by tapping Erase All Data. But before you do this, don't forget to back up all of the important items to your computer or Xiaomi Cloud so you won't lose all of your data. And that's all. I hope these tips helped and thank you so much for watching.